welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be preparing something very nutritious but yet simple to prepare. So the first ingredient there is our bananas. Bananas aids in weight loss, lowers our blood pressure and boosts our energy. The next one there is pineapple. Pineapple contains a lot of vitamins, aids in digestion and has a lot of minerals. So the next one there is organic cinnamon, guys. The importance cannot be overemphasized. They fight free radicals in our body due to the antioxidant properties, and this is organic. So guys, next time you want to buy cinnamon, ensure that it's organic cinnamon that you're getting from the grocery store. So the next one there is our spinach. Spinach are good. They contain a lot of vitamin A, C, K, and it has folate. The next one is chia seeds. Chia seeds are good. They have a lot of fibers. They aid in weight loss and help reduce our blood pressure. Next here is our papaya. Papaya is good for skin. It's good for digestion. It cleanses our guts. Now everything has been cut. I've prepped and cut everything. Now we are going to blend. Here is our papaya, pineapples, banana, chia seeds, cinnamon and spinach. Guys, this smoothie is like my go-to smoothie, guys. It's highly packed with nutrients. You don't want to miss out on this, guys. So keep watching. Remember to subscribe. Support me by subscribing, liking my video and commenting. Just look at that papaya, guys. Then that's the bananas, then the pineapple. Yeah. Next is our chia seeds, guys. Chia seeds, there's this important thing about chia seeds. It has more calcium than milk. It has more vitamins than orange, and it contains more iron than spinach. Like, guys, it has more omega-3 than salmon. Guys, please don't sleep on that. So I just put my cinnamon, then I'm going to put my spinach. This is packed with goodness. This is a bowl of goodness. So guys, we have packed our bowl of goodness. We're gonna blend away. Just look at that, so colorful. You know, when you consume this, you'll be happy that you did. Like, you'll be happy that you're doing this because it has a lot of nutrients. It has anti-cancer properties, antioxidant properties, aids in weight loss, helps your immune system, gives you energy. Like, it's good for your skin. Oh my god, like blood pressure, your sugar level. This is like, it's all in one, guys. It's all in one. So this one that is being blended now has cinnamon. The next batch will not have cinnamon. So if you don't want to put cinnamon, it's okay. So this is the one without cinnamon. Look at that, guys. The only thing that is missing here is cinnamon. So if you want to have that papaya color, so for those that want to have the papaya color, this is without cinnamon. The first one is with cinnamon. So that is it, guys. We have 2 cups there. This one is the one with cinnamon. So if you want to put cinnamon, you can. Then this other one is the one without cinnamon. For those that want to have that papaya color, so this is it without cinnamon. The choice is yours. Enjoy. They all look good. They're all packed with nutrients.